What's going on, family? This morning, Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to talk to you about a small question that I was asked. Oxyacetylene or propane? Personally, you can use both when you couldn't, so it depends on exactly how thick you couldn't, or is it something small, or are you cutting bigger things? But personally, in my personal opinion, I like oxyacetylene because it burns hotter, so you can cut thicker pieces of metal. But propane cuts too. You know what I mean? So if you're not cutting nothing that's real thick, honestly, you can go propane. But I like acetylene. Now propane is a lot cheaper, so it all depends on your budget or what you're trying to get. But honestly, once you get you a big bottle of acetylene, it's not as expensive if you get you a big bottle because it'll last a little longer. So just think of it like that. But I would say that in certain situations it require you to use different things. I done had a situation where I couldn't use a gas welder and I had to use a propane welder because we had to be in the inside and I had to have so many amperage to weld these plates in. So it all depends on the situation. But I would say to each his own. Try to see what your need is, and if it fits your budget or if it works for what you're using it for, then hey, knock it out. But between propane and acetylene, in my personal opinion, I like acetylene because it burns hotter. Hog on. Welding Hip Hop 101.